Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm coming on to count up all my coins today, and these are all from the Roll the Dice Double the Savings challenges. The last time I did a count up of the coins was January, and I do believe I had £90 in there. Now I'm going to count this all up, and it's going to go towards other savings challenges. I did need some change the other day, and I replaced it with these two notes as to why I have them here. I'm going to count them up, and I'll meet you right back. Won't be long. Okay, I've counted it all up. I've got £4 surplus here, and I've got £20 in £2 coins that I'm going to put in my £2 coin tin. I collect £2 coins and I put them in a tin. So let's just count up and see what we've got here in order for me to put this towards another savings challenge. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 20 is 70. So that's £170. I'm going to get this changed at the bank, and then I'm going to use it for another savings challenge. And I do believe I know what savings challenge that I'm going to put it towards. I would really appreciate it if you can let me know in the comments if you know which savings challenge that I have decided to put this towards. The one that I've been really working hard on, and it's looking good so far. So that's it. What a result. That's my jar for when I begin again. It's been extraordinary to know how much I've saved from January with my Roll the Dice Double the Savings challenge. It's just a bit of fun for me. I really like that challenge, and when I change up the money, I usually get £20 in coins just to play that game and see how far I get. So I think this is really good. After counting it all up, the total is £194. That's including the £14 that's left over and the £20 in £2 coins. There's 140 here in £1 coins, 140 and 20 is 160, 70, 80 and £14, that's 94. So that's £194 that was saved in my Roll the Dice Double the Savings challenge, and I think that is amazing in just coins, you know. And I am really looking forward to putting this towards another savings challenge. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.